Hello guys, another video here. I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery on a Toyota Camry and some of the Corolla too. So it's pretty simple. All we're gonna need it's a flat screwdriver. Right here there's a little hole to remove the back plastic, and then I'm just gonna stick the screw right there and just gonna push it up. You have to be careful, don't stick the screwdriver on your finger. So the plastic piece comes off. And then, so let me explain this. So on the original dealer key on a Camry, all this right here comes cover, and then the battery, it has a cover, so you have to remove that cover, and then with the same screw or something what you're using, you just have to push the battery out. So in this case, this is a universal Toyota Camry remote, so that's why it's like this. We're just gonna remove, let me show you what number the battery is. So the battery number is CR2032. So after you replace with a new one, just push it in, let's put it back, and then don't forget the cover. If you remove a cover right on top of the battery, and then the way it goes back is we're gonna put it right here first, right on the front of the, like this. So we're gonna put it right here on the front first, and then we're just gonna push the back piece in place. And that's pretty easy. So that's it. Let's test it now. Let's see if it's working. Yep, it's working. Thank you for watching. Take care.